parents who are listening in right now, the conversation is: should we have, of course, should we have spanking for children? That's what we're asking. Trixie, were you ulichapwa?
A lot. Yeah,
Hey,
I was the
Trixie.
kid that was being spanked left, right, and center. If you're in my neighborhood, if you had a cry, that must be Trix.
So give me one scenario that you remember so perfectly.
Yeah, I remember this one because I was spanked naked.
Where?
Yeah, exactly. Well, I was a kid. I was around 12, 11, and the routine was after you come home from school, you shower, then you do your homework, go play, whatever.
Yeah.
So on this particular day, I had the brilliant idea of escaping showering. So I decided...
How come kids don't like showering?
I hated I don't know what it was about showering, but I just hated it. And it was warm water. It wasn't that it's too cold or whatever. So I decided I'll come home, get my two panties and wash them and the washcloth and then go hang them so that it looks like
so you were trying to be smart.
Yeah.
You know how to just mobiliar your legs water?
Yeah. So and then I went and changed clothes, wore fresh clothes, and somehow the scenario was too perfect for my mom because she's used to having this back and forth. Telling me go shower. Where? So she started questioning me like, you showered at what time? And then I wasn't a good liar, so she could tell. That I hadn't showered, and then she investigated, my armpits, oh my goodness,
terrible.
It went down, and she had this special pipe about twigs. Yeah, for me it was serious. I've never forgotten that. Gave me PTSD for a couple of years. Yes.
Okay. By the way, that is it's valid. PTSD is valid.
Yeah.
All right, Brian, wetu najua stories zako.
Bado kuna ingine.
Weapon of choice ilikuwa gani? Wheel spanner.
Hey, mi kwangu ilikuwa ni kama ana open toolbox. So analeta slippers. Kiboko ile ufagio ile thin hivi. Pipe. Bunsen burner. Hey, this ilikuwa too much.
My parents had a whole room of weapons. No, I'm kidding. It was called the shoe rack. Come on.
Yeah.